Alright guys, 2005 F350 6.0. You hear that hissing sound? Hard to hear. Well, this truck the brakes have locked up on me. It's got a new hydro booster, master cylinder, everything else. Well, that hissing sound come the other day after I finally pressed on it really hard and got the brakes to release. So I think one of these lines up here has a restriction. This is right here. Got this pulled down. Master cylinder. We'll check that line for a restriction. Hopefully replace it. The Cummins guys are having similar issues, so stay tuned for part 2 of the video.